Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone podcast. My name is Kathy. We have been keeping you apprised of certain efforts of both the state of Idaho and the defense in Idaho versus Kohberger, seeking to have certain out-of-state witnesses be court-ordered in their home states to appear as witnesses across 3 different states: Nevada, the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania, and also in Washington state, where whichever side had named the witness in question was asking the court in the home state to enter an order directing the witness to appear at the forthcoming trial. We reported to you that several witnesses were being sought out of Washington state. 2 of them were Washington State University officers Daniel Tiengo and Curtis Whitman. We have an update on domestication proceedings regarding both. On June 25th, 2025, there was a hearing before the judicial officer in the state of Washington, which the outcome of said hearing is that both witnesses have been court ordered to attend the trial as state witnesses against Mr. Kohberger in the capital case. The hearing occurred on June 25th, 2025. Court orders were entered for both. So now that they have been court ordered to appear, the matter has been, for all intents and purposes, resolved. These names should be familiar to you if you have read the Affidavit of Probable Cause, because at page 9 of the affidavit, which was signed by Detective Brett Payne on December 29th, 2022, Detective Payne reported that the 2 officers, within exactly 1/2 hour of each other, were apparently responding to a Moscow Police Department Be on the Lookout bulletin asking local law enforcement to be on the lookout for the vehicle that's described in that Affidavit of Probable Cause as Suspect Vehicle 1. WSU, Washington State University officer Daniel Tiengo at 12:28 a.m. on November 25th, 2022, and his colleague WSU officer Curtis Whitman at 12:58 a.m. each reported locating a white Elantra registered to Mr. Kohberger in the parking lot of the Steptoe Apartments in Pullman, Washington, which is student housing for students at WSU. Mr. Kohberger, as you will recall, rented an apartment at Steptoe when he was about to enter the WSU program as a graduate PhD student and teaching assistant. So this is literally within exactly 30 minutes of each other that the officers turned in separate reports regarding this vehicle to the Moscow Police Department. If you would like to learn further details regarding this matter, please look at page 9 of the Affidavit of Probable Cause. You can find the public documents by plugging into any search engine of your choice. Idaho cases of judicial interest, go down to the Kohberger case. You're going to want to go to the very beginning of the case when it was still in Latah County. Look at December 29th, 2022 for the affidavit and go to page 9. We will continue to keep you posted as further developments arise. Until next time, this is Kathy. Thank you for joining us today.